Tenduon bura mar na Kenya Martha Karua oseyo kang mane jatend piny William Ruto kao marwalo jotelo machon kaka jotend migepe. Karua wacho ni Ruto chalo ka gima kiare kaluwore kod gik ma otimo mowacho ni gin tok chik kaluwore ni ok okaw pach oganda jo Kenya. Jafwambo marwa Net Undi ni kod ler mathoth.
E romo mare gi jofwambo odiechieng' ma kawuono, jatend na Kenya Martha Karua ochayo mokalo jatend piny William Ruto kowacho ni Ruto miyo ji lemo e migepe mag sirkal ma ok oluwo chike matayo weche mag yiero pachoka.
What it suggests is that Ruto himself is undergoing through great confusion. He doesn't know whether he's coming or going when you look at those appointments. He is at liberty to propose names and reorganize. Anybody heading government can do that, but it must be done within the law, not through the back door. He is in a coalition with ODM through the back door, without a post-election coalition agreement.
Martha Karua wacho ni ok onyal sarir ng'ato kendo ok omany tich e sirkand Ruto komedo ni en gi duond bura mare mobiro sidho manyien higa manyien tok tieko timo lokruok.
I am not a job seeker. I offer myself for election out of a genuine desire to serve Kenya and to help fix the broken in our house, our collective house called Kenya. So the fact that I am not in government will not make me look to be part of a crooked government.
Karua bende oseyo deko mar yiero commissioners mag duol matayo yiero pachoka IEBC kochayo jood bura kuom mana chwalo agenda madewogi owuon.
Parliament is a dead institution. It just proved so many times over. If we had a parliament, a real parliament, not a rubber stamp, would we finish a year without an IBC?
Bende oseyo kang ma jatend piny okawo mar timo chanjo mar chiaye kowacho ni mago en mana rieko mage e kinde ma odwaro timo gimoro mopondo ne oganda jo Kenya.
Let Ruto vaccinate his cows. He's a farmer. We can test his cows after 2 years, and then he can tell Kenyans the usefulness. I think in his mind, William Ruto sees himself as an emperor. So all he needs is a decree. So he comes up with a decree, and your cows will all be vaccinated. He gets very mad when you ask why. Because people need an explanation. In the budget, there is no money for vaccination. Where are you going to get the money? And if that money is available, why not for health? Why not for paying interns?
Net Undi, Ramogi TV.